Hi everyone, my name is Josh, and in this video we are going to go over how to use these keywords from the keyword list effectively throughout your SEO campaign. This is going to help you whether you look to hire an SEO agency or a website development company, or whether you decide to do this yourself and you're trying to rank higher in your area. So to get started, you're going to want to open up both of these. You'll see a PDF file and a .csv file. The PDF will just show you a better overview of what keywords you can target. So for instance, we're going to be doing the electrician keyword list. So we have industrial electrician, licensed electrician. These are all keywords that you want to include somewhere on your website. Now, we also have the CSV file. So what you can do with this, I'm going to see if I can make this a little bit easier for you guys. However, for now, you can put this into your notepad. You can save it as, and then over here you can save it as all files, and then you can call it whatever you want. So 66 keywords electricians should use on their website .csv, and you're going to save that. Once you have that, you can open it up in Excel, or you can open it up in Google Sheets, and now you will have some sort of a CSV file for when you want to implement all of this into your SEO efforts. So for instance, you can see that we have all of the data regarding how easy keywords are. So how to become an electrician seems like an easy keyword, and you can just export this into a tracker. You can export all of these keywords into a tracker. You can share it with an SEO consultant or a specialist, and they will be able to make a lot more sense of it. So let's talk about how to actually use these keywords and where to use them on your website. So suppose that I am an electrician and jcsearch.com is my local business. So in WordPress, or if you're using Squarespace, or if you're using Wix, or whatever sort of content management system you decide to use, you can simply have your list over on the side. I'm going to actually put it on my other monitor just so that you guys just can see what's going on over here in the WordPress editor. So right over here I see the phrase, let's just say emergency electrician. So emergency electrician in, let's just say, Boston, Massachusetts. Okay, so let's say that we're an electrician in Boston, and so what we can do here is add a couple of things like what's called, to make this is what's going to be called a heading 1. We can add a heading 2 that says when to contact an emergency electrician. Another one, how much does an emergency electrician cost in Boston? And we can add keywords that are related to this type of phrase. So we can say, let's just say a little bit more about the company. So JC Search Electric, let's just say this is the company name. Now, if we look a little bit beneath emergency electrician, we see licensed electrician near me. So contact a licensed electrician in Boston. And we can add our keywords, our paragraph. I'm just going to grab a lorem ipsum. Now let's say we've got a couple of links. So when to contact an emergency electrician. Let's just say a couple of examples can be power surge. We could do panel upgrades. We could do storm restoration. And this is what we're going to do, is link this to a page. Let's say we did have a power surge page. We had a page on panel upgrades, storm restoration, in case you do, you're an electrician and you do works after storms and stuff like that. So this is going to definitely help you get a better idea of how to use your keywords. So remember, we don't want to just put in emergency electrician, right? We want to say something that's a bit more makes more sense. When to contact an emergency electrician. How much does an emergency electrician cost? Contact a licensed emergency electrician in Boston. Now remember, you don't want to overdo it, but you do want to make it out there and make it known. So I hope this video gives you an idea as to how you're going to use these keywords. Again, we can make articles on something like maybe you do fire alarm installation, so fire alarm installation company, Boston, MA. Let's say you're doing that in Boston, and again, you're gonna mix this in with your local area. So I hope this video helps you guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and my team here at jcsearch.com. You can email me at joshct@jcsearch.com or call me at 917-747-4234, and I'll be happy to answer any of your SEO or website design related questions. Thank you.